This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the grid mathematically. Set grid size to a number like 20. Once done, make grid X and grid Y variables to hold the snapped coordinates and a dragging flag to track interaction. You should add a custom block snap to grid to keep logic reusable. Make sure to initialize grid size and turn, dragging off when the green flag runs, because consistent defaults prevent jumps. This first step sets the foundations, so later math is simple and uniform. Now implement the core formula. Inside snap to grid, set grid X to round, X/grid size, asterisk grid size, and grid Y likewise for Y. You will update the sprite position to grid X and grid Y whenever dragging ends or while dragging to show live snapping. Use a fast loop with small weights to keep UI responsive and ensure your round logic handles negative coordinates correctly. Once you have this block working, you can apply it to many sprites without rewriting. Finish by connecting snap to grid to the green flag and to mouse release or drop events so every placement snaps. You may smooth transitions by moving in small steps toward grid X and grid Y for visual polish. If sprites jitter, make sure dragging stops during snaps, reduce update frequency, or increase grid size to reduce rounding noise. Finally, test with negative coordinates and clones. If things go wrong, check integer math and that grid size is not 0.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.